Vamos muy bien de hora, ¿eh? Esto va con ritmo desde
We are doing quite well in terms of time. The next speaker is Lex Smirnoff. He arrives from Russia for this Forex Day. He has a degree in economics. He has 3 master's degrees in investment and financial markets. He started some time ago, several years ago, working personally with Forex and also in the CFD market. Then he took it to the professional level. He collaborated with international companies, and he occupied different functions and played different roles in companies. He is an independent professional with more than 10 years experience. He has authored several books like How to Make Money in a Forex market, translated into 20 languages and used by millions of traders, beginners all over the world. He has also done several trading videos about Forex, collaborations with different media in the Baltic countries, Russia, and he also delivers courses, master classes to traders all over the world, both Russia, Baltic countries, the Czech Republic, Germany, Spain. He is also been in the United States, so he is an expert. He's specialized in financial markets and in creating profit from a practical point of view. His speech is sponsored by FX for a living, and it's going to try to answer how to draw magic lines of technical analysis on any chart to have 100% warranty of rebound. Complex line. The floor is yours.
Hello, everyone. So today I wanted to share with you some experience of mine about trading technical analysis. It's, let's just say, one of the favorite techniques what I have in my trading portfolio. And today I want to share with you this philosophy, how people, how traders, investors follow the trend lines and how they work with different type of lines. In technical analysis, we have 2 types of levels. It's trend line, we know it. So channel is, for example, rising channel, uptrend, we have 2 trend lines. But at the same time, all the time in the market, we can see a lot of medianas. It's another sort of levels we can use for trading. And today we're going to speak about situations where we can trade with really high guarantees. Is the market not going to break up or down this level? And now I'm going to show you, just let's start from some theoretical side how it works. So I will just explain you the idea and philosophy of traders. We have a line. Any line doesn't, no, that's it, sorry. So we have a line. It's not a trend line, it's not a mediana line yet, just a line. How market work with that? Simple. You just have rebounds, rebounds, rebounds. Anyway, in the future, in some moment, any line will have this break. Market is going to break it. So for example, market went this direction. What happened next? If before we spoke, this is support line which is supporting the market, so the price is standing and just rebounding all the time. Right now, the line just changed the status. It became resistance. So what we can predict here? When the market will have this retreat back to a line, right now there will be a signal to sell, because right now it's a resistance line. My question is for you, for example, if right now on the market will not going to appear any economical effect, there is no macro or macroeconomical news. There is no some huge force majeures. There is no speeches of, I don't know, some presidents of central banks. What's going to happen? How many % of guarantee here we can say that this line will have a rebound? How do you think? Someone? 90. 80. I would say 98, 99, even sometimes 100%. You know why? because of just philosophy. Tell me, why price is moving on the market? Because people are buying or selling. It's clear, it's basics. Why people are buying and selling? Most of the people on the market who really manage the market, who really make the movement, traders, investors, they buy and sell because of direct reasons. For example, technical lines. For example, indicators. For example, economical reasons, or some speeches of directors, presidents of central banks. And currently there is no economical effect, only technical situation. So people who trade with trend lines, with technical analysis, will see this level. That's why those who, for example, just before, right here, doesn't matter why, did open buy position, they're holding right now buy position. It means they, at least part of them, going to close it here, because it's line, it's a resistance. It may be strong, it may be not strong enough, doesn't matter, but it's resistance. So some people will close these buy positions. When people are closing buy position, it's the same like open sell position. That's why market has this movement down. Same moment some other traders, for example, like me, will open here sell position. That's why if even in the future market going to break this level again, before that some of rebound going to happen. Just because some part of the market fixing the profits and another part of the market are opening some short-term positions. That's why we have this 98, 99 and sometimes even 100% guarantees that the market will have a rebound from this level. Now let's speak about how to use these medianas. So another piece of theory, and after that we go to see how it works on the real market. So the system working with medianas is really simple. We trade. So there is some rebounds, after that market break it, rebound. We trade only first time, first touch after breakout or breakdown, which we had before. So right now we see in the sample, before we had breakdown, after that rebound. This rebound was first one. It was the first. There we could open the trade. Doesn't matter in the future how many rebounds will have this line. We are not going to trade because we trade only on first touch this line after the breakout or breakdown. So if right now market go to this level, we do nothing. There is no signal using this trading system to trade. After that market breaks this line, get back to a level. What should we do now? Buy. It's the first time after breakup, then we have to open buy position. And this will appear, like we said before, if now there is no economical news or other effects, market will give us this rebound 98, 99, 100%. For example, let's take final sample to see that everything is clear. Market is moving. It went this way. It makes first, second, third. What should we do now? Maybe we should start to work with this line because it became trend line. And we can use any rebound. Who's wanna buy? No one. Okay. You're getting the information. Well, it's great. Next time. After 6 times. 2, 4, 6 will be next. How are we going to buy? Never. Never. If it's mediana, if we did call this level mediana, we work only when the market breaks the level, retreat, and after that we open the trade and we will see this rebound. I think it's really clear because of your proper answers. Right now let's go to see, let's make a model just in a history in the beginning of this year. So we will start this model. It's Great British Pound 4-hour chart. On 4-hour chart right now we will see how this median is working and what kind of stop loss and take profit we are going to set up. Because as we know, when we trade we need to obligatory to set up limits for our trades. So let's draw a couple lines to make a technical analysis. So we have these bottoms, we create the line. As we can see, this line, it's not a trend line, it's median. Another line is here. Also, we have some bottom right now was created. So we can put this one. The question is, right now, market doesn't touch any level, any line. That's why we're not going to do nothing, because we're not going to do anything, because there is no signal. Let's wait. Let's wait what the market will do. Market have to touch. And by the way, so there is something wrong with the line. I will fix it. So here we have the line. If the market going to reach this level, there will appear a signal to sell, because right now it's a resistance. So here we can set up pending order. We are setting up, because it's 4-hour chart, Great British Pound, amount of stop loss and take profits will be, stop loss we are going to set up 60 points and take profit 50 points. If we go with same strategy trading on daily chart or weekly chart or 1-hour chart, we need to make these levels bigger or smaller, depends on the chart. If chart is bigger, daily, we're going to multiply it 1.5 or 2, this amount. So on daily chart, take profit, we set up about 100 points and stop loss 120, 130 points. So currently this is stop loss and take profit for 4-hour chart trading and Great British Pound. Let's set up this pending order. So it's going to be here, place. Next, what we're gonna do is just wait what market will do next. Market opens the trade. We can see it happening in 4-hour chart. It's already moving, make some movement down. We have just like a sample trade, one lot, trading with 5,000 account. So we wait. Will the market reach our profit or not? So currently in this situation, market went just 48 or 45, probably because we saw it was really near to take profit, so it didn't reach it. It's okay, sometimes it happens. And to start a trade with stop loss is nothing. Right now, next level, we see that the market did break up this line. So currently it's resistance line, and we can set up here also pending order to buy. So we are setting same stop loss take profits. Going to be here and place. Market is moving, it's touching the level. Great, another stop loss. Now you are going to think and start thinking, God, we have two stop losses, one to each other. It's great when the market in some moments, because for example, I didn't pick up these time frames directly to show you today. I just choose a random date. The next line we're going to work with, this level, this red one level. Because we saw it worked before, it made some rebound, and it's going to make another rebound right now because it's support. So we are setting up another pending order to trade here. So buy limit, something here, and place. Okay, let's wait. The third trade was opened from this level, and it's worked out really well. So as we can see, market is working with this line. Let's proceed. By the way, this line we used before, we can modify a little because of this maximums we just got. So let's modify this line. We're taking the close prices. So in current situation, what we see? We see market stays inside of these lines. Both of these lines for us is medianas. So there will be no signals at all before the market will go down and break the lowest line, or before the market will go up and break up the highest line. So let's go next. Next trades. Okay, I will make it a little bit faster because we need a break. So now we see market did break because of news, economical reasons and everything like we spoke before. So now we need to wait to see that the market is going to touch this support level. After that, we will have this open it trade buy. It's buy limit. So let's set it up. Something here. Place. And let's wait. Waiting. When we are making the models, it's much easier to wait, not like in the real market, couple days. So now let's modify a little bit this pending order because the line level came a little bit up. Modify. Come on, touch it. Now, the market did open our trade, so there was a touch. Market trying to go a little bit lower, but anyway, current close prices are over this level. So the trade was closed with a profit. Let's proceed trading with same levels. As we can see, we spoke before, this mediana, we are not trading here on buy because first touch already was in a history and we did trade there and get a profit there. Let's see what's happening now. Now we see that the market did break down this line. So we set up pending order and we will wait. The market will touch it. It's not touching, it's moving lower. Now it's opened. And we wait the profits or stop loss. What's going to happen? It's touching it again. And a take profit appears. So for now, this take profits was, this trade was close in the profits. So this is the sample how to work with these lines. The idea is simple. When you see the trend line or mediana, when you, because most of the traders, for example, even exactly in the beginning of their career, they are really afraid to use the lines which had some breakdowns before. We just often read the books about technical analysis or something where people are speaking that if we have the channel, we have trend line, we can use it. Just wait a rebound and don't be afraid, just trade with that. But people, when traders start to draw technical lines, and there is a lot of lines we can draw on our charts. Many of lines, good lines, which we can use, trade with, which will give us an opportunity to get the profit from our trade, we're just deleting, removing. Why? Because we draw the line with two buttons. For example, here, this highest line we see. We just did draw it after breakout. Some of the beginning traders, investors start to think, if the market did break the line, so it means that the market doesn't work with this line anymore. No, wrong. Just line was break because some of the reasons, economical reasons or technical reasons because of the biggest time frame. For example, because of daily chart. There was a channel and there was just necessity to break the line. But in the future, you need to proceed to work with this line. And only one solution we have here, working with such lines. If we see that market after breakup or breakdown, retreat to a level, and after first touch, it gives us this profit on 4-hour chart. It's approximately 40, 50, 60 points. It means that this line still in working area. People see it, people work with it. So don't throw it away because you don't need to do that. Same moment, some of the people when they start the trading career, trying all the time to find the best trend line to work with, because it's really we have some fears to open the trade from this level. For example, we have here some trend line. It's not strong enough. It's just really fácil, Spanish. So it's really weak. You just have two rebounds, and anyway, so the market, for example, going to touch this level. In the future, some starting carry trader is not going to open the trade because of the fears. Okay, after when the market going to touch it on the 4th time, on the 5th time, again we have these fears to trade with that. So thing is simple. Just have this rule we spoke about, this mediana. You can use all lines like medianas. Why? Because all of the lines will be break down or up sometime. You have to remember this. And the question is not about what to do with the line, trade with it or not. Thing is simple. If we see the line, we just need to understand. If there before was a break up or breakdown, we can use this line. It's really great for us. That's why if we are working with such system, when we see breakdowns and breakouts, it's really a good opportunity in the nearest future to have such trading. Let's go right now, for example, switch the same time frame on daily chart. We'll just remove this object. On the daily chart, okay, there is not enough information to draw the lines. Okay, let's make it lower. 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, everything working is the same. Just we need to remember that amount of time we need to wait that our order, take profit or stop loss will work out. We need to wait a little bit less than in 4 hour chart. So here, for example, it's working all the same. We're drawing the lines. We can draw some other lines even inside. For example, I'll show you now this line, which in real life or before our conversation today, maybe you didn't ever even saw, for example. Let's study how it works in the line. Just a moment. So this line standing here. We have the bottom. After that, market breaks the line. We have the situation where the market has this retreat back and work with that like with resistance. So market open here trades, we get 40 points potential profits to get here. What's happening next? Market is having another retreat to this level, making some rebound and break it again. So it's already first, second break. Line was break up and break down twice. It's a bad line. Would say most of the, let's just say, beginning traders and investors. It's a bad line, let's forget about it. No. Thing is simple. It's a first, next candle we see, black candle, next is giving us the signal buy. We open buy trade, we have here 36 potential profit. So like we said before, on 1 hour chart, we're setting up some smaller targets. So it's going to be about 25, 30 points. And stop loss also 25, 30 points. So we are getting this profit. Market, after that, make another move on this level. What we do? Nothing. It's a second time. So we wait that the market going to break it down. After it break down, what happened next? We have, after 10 hours, another retreat. From this point, we open sell trade because it's first touch after breakdown, and we get the profits. We don't expect to get this 200 points, no. We are getting our small short-term profit, 25, 30 points in 1 hour or 2 hours to get on your account. 25, 30 points getting profit in 1 hour. Does it good for you? Does it fit for you? Or is it too small? Or everyone just like to trade at long terms, Just for example, in my trading experience and my knowledge is what I'm trying and I do share with my alumnus. This Spanish really, it's all the time, just Spanish. So with my not like pupils, but okay, my friends and people who are working with me. So I'm all the time trying to share this idea that you have to be open-minded. Most of the people, when they start, again, I'm saying about this because it's one of the most, let's just say, famous mistakes. When they start, they just, okay, I will trade only long-term positions. You know why? Because you know why they choose this? Because some person who they thought is, let's just say, experienced enough, said the trading long-term position it's much easier, it's much profitable and everything. That's why we listen to him, we follow him. Another guy, for example, had first experience, some meeting with some other trader or expert who's trading financial markets, who said, okay, scalping all the time. Let's scalp. Let's sit near a computer intraday, 12 hours per day, just pressing the buttons and everything. Okay, I will follow him, I will trade with him, and only obligatory 12 hours per day I need to work near my computer. Forget about families, I don't know, educations, other jobs, other businesses and everything. Is it okay? I don't know. For me, not. The thing is simple. You have to be open-minded. Who said that you can't mix these short trades with long trades? This is the best. This is the best way of trading. When you diversify your trading portfolio tools, you have different currency pairs, stocks maybe, commodities, doesn't matter. You have different financial tools to trade. But not only you are taking different financial tools to diversify your portfolio, you have to take different strategies. Short-time strategies, long-time strategies. If you are going to combine them, this will give you stable results all the time. Because sometimes it's happening, the market is moving really fast. For example, we know in nearest weeks we will have this situation about Brexit. I think you heard about it, right? So everyone right now just, I don't know, yelling and saying, what's going on, what's going to be about Great Britain and everything. It's going to leave, it's going to stay, it's going to be bad, it's going to be good. People just nervous. Right now, for example, if we speak about all currencies, currency pairs which work with the Great British Pound, there will be just higher volatility. How do you think? What to do there? What to do on such a situation? Should we trade? Should we trade a lot? Should we not trade? Give me your opinion. What do you think? Who's going to trade on 23 of June? Please raise a hand. None? Guys, don't be afraid. I'm not going to trade. You know why? Just because it's gambling. It's pure gambling. It's my opinion. My opinion is that Great Britain will stay in Europe community. It's not going to leave. And there will be just huge volatility on the market. And if, again, if we are getting back to new traders, there will be a great movement, I'm going to catch it. Yeah, okay, try to catch it. Probably depends on broker you have or other sort of technologies you are using. Maybe you will have some gaps there. There will be no price. So requote or something. Okay, try to. The thing is simple. It's a gambling. For me, for example, yes, it might be also good opportunity to get some profits. I just don't do it. One reason why. I don't gamble. Many years ago when I started to trade, 10 years ago, 11, 12, I don't remember, somewhere there. I just learned one thing. If you see market for yourself like a place for gamble, you will have a profit for short term. But in long term, you will lose everything you have. So, as I said before, if you want to have stable results, stable profits in your portfolio, you need to mix short-term with long-term. And don't please ever gamble. If you want to gamble, go to casino. In the market, if you have direct, statistical, worked out before system, you work by this system. If you follow these rules, you will get the stable profits. This is the system we spoke before about working with medianos. It's giving long-term, short-term, really good profits. if you follow just simple using this system. If you will diversify your trading with different systems like this one, like other ones, you will have this much bigger, much stable profits all time frame you are going to trade. And please don't gamble. Brexit, not a place where to earn the money. Most of the people, I think, because of the nervous, trust me, there will be too much emotions, just this gambling. So, for example, just like if someone would like to know my opinion, I'm not going to trade there because it's just gamble. So better trade in calm situations. Trade by the rules, trade by the systems, and you will have your profits, I guarantee to you. Thank you very much for your attention. And also, if you will have some other questions, I will be here around, or we can contact some other way from website. So just ask. I will be glad to answer any questions. Thank you again.
Bueno, nos queda...